Markets need your attention. Equity markets across the world went into a tailspin today as Donald Trump's chances of becoming the next president of the United States seemed to get brighter than ever before. In the Indian equity markets, Sensex tumbled over 350 points to end at its lowest closing level in over 3 months. You can see that bloodbath across the board, little bit of recovery and then a seesaw downwards by the end of trade. If you look at Sensex, it's now just some distance away from the 28,000 mark. Nifty also lost over 100 points, but it managed to cling on to that 8,500 mark. In fact, it kept its head above that mark. Again, completely flattish and red all day long. All sectoral indices, in fact, ended in the red, with the PSU bank losing the most. Mid-cap saw sharper cuts if you compare to the blue chips. In fact, the mid-cap index saw its biggest single-day fall in the last 1 month alone. Anuj Singhal is here, as always, to decode the market action for us. Anuj, bloodbath, could you say, or is it just Indian markets remaining caution ahead of global equities tumbling?
Well, bad day for the market because you had a gap down. After that, the market didn't get ugly for better part of the day till about 3 p.m. And then in last half an hour, we again had a bit of a selling that led to the market actually breaking this range and closing below 85.50. In fact, closing below the 85.20 mark as well. So a 3-month closing low for the market. All of this because the global markets got a bit nervous of Donald Trump making a remarkable comeback as far as the opinion polls are concerned and getting head-to-head with Hillary Clinton. So the market now beginning to factor in some probability of a Trump presidency. Mid-caps were hit the most, as you would expect on a day like today, and advanced decline remained weak through the day. In terms of index stocks, which were worst hit, Tata Motors and the DBR, Reliance and ONGC put maximum pressure on the markets today. Banks were down, especially the PSU one, so SBI, Bank of Baroda were both down, and even Yes Bank was lower. Pharma stocks were hit in late trade. Sun Pharma, Aurobindo, Cipla, and all the mid-cap pharma were down. Other Nifty losers included IT stocks. Infosys is at 52-week low. TCS was down. Maruti and ICICI Bank were other pressure points for the market. Some index gainers included Bharti Infratel, Mahindra & Mahindra, which came out with good tractor sales, and IndusInd Bank. And some mid-cap losers included OBC, Indiabulls Real Estate, and Granules. So all in all, a weak day for the market. Tomorrow becomes extremely crucial because tomorrow is follow-up, and follow-up date normally is more important than the trend day.
Okay.